I'll tell you the story of the Chinese nightingale. Once upon a time, in China, the emperor lived in a large palace with a beautiful garden. Every evening at dusk, the nightingale would sing his wonderful song to the emperor. Then one day, the emperor received a gift. "What a beautiful wind-up bird!" exclaimed the emperor. "He sings as beautifully as the nightingale, and this one is made of gold and rubies, much nicer than the boring little brown bird in the tree." From that moment on, the emperor only listened to the wind-up bird. The real nightingale became very sad, flew away, and was never seen again. After a year, the wind-up bird broke down. The emperor missed the singing so much that he got very ill. "The emperor will not live long," whispered the palace staff at his bedside. "Look how pale he is." Suddenly, through the open door, a beautiful sound could be heard. It was the little brown nightingale. It was back. The palace staff was amazed to see a tear roll down the emperor's cheek and how he quickly regained a healthy color. From that moment on, the emperor fully recovered and rejoiced in listening to the real nightingale every evening.